Hey, my name is James Kerr, and I'm with Red Roo Sales and Service, and this is the Red Roo C100 wood chipper. The maximum capacity of the C100 is 100 millimeters, or 4 inches. The C100 is powered by a 16 horsepower V-twin Briggs & Stratton Vanguard engine. The Red Roo C100 is ideal for light pruning applications. If you would like more information on this machine, please visit our website at redroo.com. Or if you would like to hire this machine for the day, contact your local hire and rental company. And remember, Red Roo is the right way to rent.